Listen, if there's one thing you don't want to scroll past today, it's this. Because what I'm about to show you is something people are genuinely raving about, and for good reason. This product doesn't just promise performance, it delivers it. You get smooth, reliable results every single time, paired with a clean, solid design that just feels premium. And here's the best part, you don't need to be a pro to use it. It's simple, intuitive, and honestly kind of fun once you get into it. But don't just take my word for it. The reason it's blowing up everywhere is because people are trying it, loving it, and immediately recommending it to everyone they know. It's one of those rare things that actually lives up to the hype. So here's what you do next. Click the link in the description, take a quick look, try it for yourself. Once you've seen how smooth it performs and how easy it makes your life, you're going to wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Listen, if there's one thing you don't want to scroll past today, it's this.